Guys, yes, good morning. Labas ulit tayo. I will go outside the room. So ito yung room namin, 110. So andito kami ngayon. Pupunta ako sa swimming pool dito sa Costa Pacifica here in Baler. So ayan, ito after namin mag-breakfast. Ito, diretso kami ngayon. Okay, so ayan, nagsiswimming sila. They're going swimming. Oh, ano muna to? Hindi, ito muna, inaano ko lang to sandali. Going swimming. Hey, JC. Going swimming. Oh, wow. Going swimming. Hey, why? Wow. Ako muna. Dali lang, nag-ano ako. Okay. Hey. Oh, sige na. Oh, yan na. Nagbo-vlog ako eh. Okay, so ayan, ang ganda dito ngayon. Kahit dito ka lang, nag-i-enjoy ka. Okay. Yan. See? Wow, JC is swimming. Kaya niya mag-isa? No. Kaya niya. Okay, so ganun. Okay, ganun. Okay, so okay, later ulit. Oh, hey JC, what can you say? JC, what can you say? JC, you wee girl. Wee bender. No. Okay, bye.